The AME is the future of manufacturing and engineering.
By uniting academia, industry and cutting-edge research, we're not only advancing manufacturing, our award-winning faculty on the factory floor approach is elevating education to create a centre of engineering excellence. Our industry-driven research guarantees partners have access to the latest manufacturing equipment and processes, exceptional knowledge, a pool of talented graduates, state-of-the-art testing infrastructure, and so much more. Join us in this innovative journey as we lead the way in manufacturing and engineering, transforming the industry and creating better futures.